Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a clean with me because my house is a disaster. Ian has been out of town all week, and I've had a super busy week at work, and it's just gotten out of control and out of hand. So I thought instead of just doing it by myself that I would bring you guys along. A, so it helps to motivate you, but also B, so that I don't just not do it, because I need a little motivation too. So filming and knowing that you guys are coming along helps me with that. So we got a big laundry list of things to do today. I need to wash my bedding, I need to vacuum, I need to clean, like there's a lot to do. So I'm gonna get a cup of coffee and then we are gonna get started. About you guys, but I feel like laundry is never ending. There's always more to be done. There's always something that needs to be washed. Normally I turn on a show or listen to a podcast like I am here to help the time pass by and just to keep my brain engaged in what seems to be such a menial task that never ends. Let me know below. What do you do? Do you watch YouTube videos? Do you listen to a podcast? Do you call a friend? Like, what do you do to pass the time? Also, I think the worst part about laundry is having to put it up. At least for me it is. It takes forever, and if I could just leave it on the guest room bed, I would. But, you know, that's not always acceptable, and then you just have all your laundry out, and when people come to stay, you have more work to do. So, I try to be diligent and put it away the day I fold it. However, I will leave it in the laundry hamper for a couple of days, or even in the dryer. I think yesterday I folded 2 loads, maybe even 3. So, you know, it pays to put it away. Ian and I are pretty good about splitting up the workload of the household. So I typically handle the laundry and he typically handles emptying the dishwasher and loading it every night. You know, teamwork makes the dream work, but while he was traveling for work, I had to do all the chores myself, which really bummed me out. Vacuuming is another one of those chores that just seems like there is never an end to it, especially when you have a long-haired dog like we do. I could vacuum every day and it still isn't enough. Come on up, see ya. Get it, shorty, get it, shorty, get your shorty. this space has become a catch-all. There's stuff over here. There's all this stuff over here. I just need to straighten this up and put everything away so that I have room to fold clothes and make this room presentable. Reality of it is we're going on a trip soon, so I really do need to clean this up, and I have a friend coming to stay, so it cannot be a ginormous mess. So I'm gonna clean this up next. This is a closet I really need to spend some time cleaning, but I just haven't had time to do it, y'all. Just too much going on. Ah! I had to give you one. We spend the most time in this sunroom, and it seems to get the messiest the quickest. You know, just lounging, watching TV, relaxing after a long day's work. And I feel like I could clean it up every single day, and it honestly wouldn't matter because in 10 minutes it'll be just like it was. And that's just the reality of living in your home. Ugh. I don't know about y'all, but cleaning wears me out. Like, genuinely wears me out. But I got it done, y'all. I straightened up the house. I cleaned, I vacuumed, I cleaned the bathroom. The house is not as much of a disarray, so when Ian comes home, not that he really cares, but you know, still, he wanted to be able to come home to a nice clean house after he's been gone all week. So anyway, I hope this helped give you motivation. I know it gave me motivation. I can go into the weekend knowing that my house is clean and tidy and, you know, just nice and kept, however you say it. So if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Tell me below, in the comments below, what is your favorite chore? And what is your least favorite chore? I want to know. My least favorite chore is, well, my really least favorite chore is hand washing dishes. But we have a dishwasher, so we don't have to do that. But like folding clothes, I don't mind it so much. It's just, it never, you're never like, check. Like right now, there's another load in the washing machine that I will have to fold once it's done. And I know when Ian gets home from his travels, like there's gonna be another load to wash. So anywho, it's probably my favorite and my least favorite all wrapped into one. I don't mind vacuuming so much. Dusting is a little, you know, so anywho, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and come back each Saturday for a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.